Today, we're diving into the realm of authenticators. So, let's find out how authenticators add that extra layer of armor around our online presence. First things first, authenticators are like the bouncers of the cybersecurity world. They check if you really are who you say you are before letting you into your digital accounts. There are mainly three types: something you know, like passwords or PINs; something you have, like a security token or your smartphone; and something you are, which covers all the biometric stuff, like your fingerprints or facial recognition. So, how do these digital bouncers do their job? Let's break it down. For something you have, think about those times you've received a code on your phone to enter a site. That's a type of authenticator. And for the biometrics, it's as sci-fi as using your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Then there's two-factor authentication, or its big brother, multi-factor authentication, which basically means using two or more of these methods to really make sure it's you. It's like adding extra locks on your digital doors. Now, why bother with all this? It significantly beefs up your security. Just having a password isn't enough anymore, since they can be cracked or guessed. But add an authenticator into the mix, and you've just made a hacker's job way harder. It's all about keeping your personal info locked down and out of reach from those cyber bad guys. No system's perfect, right? There are some sneaky ways hackers can bypass even these defenses, like SIM swap attacks for those phone-based codes, or even trickier, spoofing your biometrics. Plus, there's the hassle of keeping track of extra devices or remembering to have your phone charged and with you. It's a bit of a balancing act between security and convenience. So, what's the best way to use these digital guardians? Mix it up. Use a combo of authentication methods and keep your security settings fresh and updated. Think of it as continually changing the locks on your digital doors. And remember, the more layers of security, the better. It might seem like a bit of extra work, but it's a small price to pay for keeping your digital life safe and sound. And that's it. Authenticators are our allies in the ongoing battle for cybersecurity. They might seem like just another step to access our stuff, but they're crucial in keeping our digital identities safe. Let's embrace these tools and make the digital world a safer place for everyone. Also, appreciate all the support you guys gave me from the last video. Thanks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this info useful. And drop your questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.